Hello students, welcome to our channel Learn with GBR Vlogs. In the previous class, we have learned the topics fractions, fraction on the number line and their related problems. Now, we are going to discuss about the topic is proper and improper fractions. In that, now let us see the proper fraction. Now, if you take a circle which is divided into 4 equal parts and if one part is shaded, so this represents the shaded part is 1 by 4. Represent this shaded part is 1 by 4. 1 out of 4 equal parts. So, the part of the all things is called a fraction. So, the part of the all things is called a proper fraction. So, a part of the whole is called a proper fraction. And here the unshaded portion represents is 3 out of 4. Unshaded portion represents 3 out of 4. Now, the 1 by 4, 3 by 4 are called proper fractions. Because either 1 by 4 or 3 by 4 represent the part of the whole circle. So, then these two are called as, these two portions called as the proper fractions. Not only a circle, if you take any other figure, if we take a rectangle, if it is divided into 5 equal parts and here 2 parts are shaded. 2 parts are shaded. Here the shaded portion represents 2 out of 5 and unshaded portion represents 3 out of 5. Now here then the part of the whole is a proper fractions. Here a part of the whole is called a proper fractions. If you observed any proper fractions, the numerator is less than the denominator. So, the numerator is less than the denominator. In a proper fraction, numerator is always less than the denominator. So, if you write 4 by 7, 9 by 7, 12 by 27. Here all are fractions. The fractions in which numerator is less than the denominator are said to be a proper fraction. The fractions in which the numerator is less than the denominator are said to be proper fraction. Whatever the fractions we take, if the numerator is less than the denominator, then it is said to be a proper fraction. Now, let us see the improper fraction. Improper fractions. Now, 8 by 3, 9 by 8, 13 by 7. If you observe the fractions, in all these fractions, the numerator greater than the denominator. The numerator greater than the denominators. So, the fraction in which the numerator is greater than the denominator, we are called the improper fractions. Improper fractions. The fraction in which the numerator is greater than the denominator are called the improper fractions. The fractions in which the numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator are called improper fraction. Here see, 5 by 5 is also a improper fraction. This is equal to 1. Numerator, it is equal to denominators. Okay. Now, if you write here the numerator is greater than the denominator. Numerator is greater than the denominator. So, we can take 8 by 3, 9 by 8, 13 by 7. In all these fractions, numerator is greater than the denominator. So, in this, 8 is greater than 3, 9 is greater than 8, and also 13 is greater than 7. What is the improper fraction? The fractions in which the numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator are called improper fraction. Now let us see the mixed fractions. Mixed fractions means we take one whole object and one part. One whole object and one part. First, you see the whole circle and the other circle which is divided into 4 equal parts. Now, we take one shaded part out of 4 equal parts. This represents 1 by 4. So, we have to take in mixed fractions one whole object and one part, that is 1 plus 1 by 4. 1 whole and 1 out of 4, that is 1 by 4 equal to 1 plus 1 by 4. 1 by 4. This is said to be a mixed fraction. Mixed fraction means whole and fraction. Whole means one whole object and fraction means one proper fraction, that is 1 by 4. Mixed fraction, it is equal to whole plus fraction, that is whole plus one proper fraction. Whole means 1, proper fraction means 1 by 4. So, then here mixed fraction is the combination of the whole and the proper fraction. Combination of the whole and the proper fraction. So, now this is said to be a mixed fraction. Mixed fraction means combination of the whole and the proper fraction. Now, mixed fraction 1 by 4 can be converted as the improper fraction by multiplying the denominator of the fraction of the whole number. Mixed fraction 1 by 4 can be converted into the improper fraction. So, 1 by 4, it is equal to 4 into 1 plus 1 by 4. Improper fraction by multiplying the denominator of the fraction of the whole number. That is equal to 4 into 1, 4 plus 1 by 4. That is equal to 5 by 4. This is a improper fraction. Now, you can convert any improper fraction into the mixed fraction. So, here 18 by 7 has to convert it into the mixed fraction. Okay. So, here the 18 by 7 has to be converted into the mixed fraction. Then we have to divide the 18 by 7. 18 by 7. 18 by 7. 7 1 ja, 7 2 ja 14, 7 3 ja 21. So, 7 2 ja 14. 4 remainder. So, 18 by 7, it is equal to quotient remainder by divisor, that is equal to 18 by 7, it is equal to first quotient. Quotient is the 2, remainder 4 and divisor is 7. See, 2 7s are 14, 14 plus 4, 18 by 7. Okay, this is mixed fraction, this is improper fraction. So, we can convert any improper fraction into the mixed fraction and also mixed fractions converted into the improper fractions. Okay friends, if you like this video, like, share and comment and also subscribe my channel. If you want more videos, must subscribe this channel. Okay friends.